Hi everyone, welcome to the Hindu newspaper analysis in under 10 minutes by JTS Institute. Today is the 12th of April and the first article that we are going to see is Data Protection Bill in Monsoon Session. It will be tabled in July. That is what the government informed Supreme Court, which is currently hearing petitions against WhatsApp for sharing user data with other FB firms. So, the Union government has informed the Supreme Court of India on 11th of April 2023 that in the coming monsoon session of the Parliament in July, they will be tabling the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2022, that is to enforce individual privacy in online space. The new bill, if passed, will be replacing the current information technology, reasonable security practices and procedures, and sensitive personal data or information rules, which was notified in 2011. The bill aims at balancing the rights of individuals to protect their personal data and the need to process it for lawful purposes. And also another one important fact about this bill is the definitions of terms like data, data fiduciary, data principal and data processor, all of which are going to be outlined with a bit more clarity under this bill. So what is data? Data under the new bill is defined as a representation of information, facts, concepts, opinions or instructions in a manner suitable for communication, interpretation or processing by humans or by automated means. The bill also separately defines data fiduciary as persons who determine the purpose and means of processing personal data, data principal as the individual to whom the personal data belongs to, and data processor as any person who processes personal data on behalf of a data fiduciary. The topic of data protection bill, even though it will come into effect only in July, is important for the mains as well, because privacy is something that is given as a right by the Supreme Court in 2017. So it is going to be a major topic for UPSC to ask about what are the risks and certain security issues faced by users in current times. The next article to look at is the 17th Lok Sabha is likely to be shortest since 1952. See, the current 17th Lok Sabha, which is entering its final year, has functioned only for 230 sitting days so far. Now, this is in reference to all the Lok Sabhas that have completed a full 5-year term. And as of now, among that, the 16th Lok Sabha, that is the previous Lok Sabha, had the lowest number of sitting days over 5 years, that is 331 days. Now, considering the number of days that we have sat till now, that is 230, and seeing that there is possibly going to be only about 58 average sitting days a year, the 17th Lok Sabha is very unlikely to sit for more than 331 days. Therefore, this is going to make the 17th Lok Sabha the shortest full-term Lok Sabha since 1952. How is this important for UPSC? See, as UPSC aspirants, you should be having creative, corrective measures for almost every problem that our country is facing. So, when the question asks you, or if you have to write an answer where you're talking about issues faced by the current parliament or the functioning of the parliament is not good enough, what are the measures that you're going to take? You should be prepared to know what is to be done based on the data that is available to you. So if you see that the number of sitting days is actually low, absentees are happening a lot, can we do anything regarding selection procedure in terms of what is the minimum eligibility criteria for Rajya Sabha members? For example, when we induct certain personalities like cricketers or actors and so on into the parliament, you can see that the absence from the parliament is high among members like that. How can we rectify that? Do we need to have certain eligibility criteria in terms of what is the time that needs to be spent by every member of parliament and so on? And that is all for today. Thank you everyone for listening. If you have liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, as a part of our 20th year celebrations, we are having certain exciting offers for all the students who will be joining the IAS 2024 program of JTS Institute. The link is given in the description. Do visit our website. Thank you.